Welcome back to Coco Cake Land, where I share cake designs, tutorials, and wacky ideas, such as this one. It's my gravity-defying ramen cake with coconut jelly eggs. Have you ever made a ramen cake? The secret to the noodle cake is using a multi-opening piping tip, which extrudes out long noodly type buttercream strands. I started off with a 6-inch round spherical cake pan and I baked up a lemon coconut cake. Once the cake was totally cool, I sliced off a tiny bit of the bottom of the cake to make it flat so it would sit on the cake board easier. I also used a paring knife to cut out a 1/2-inch divot into the top of the cake to make it look more like the hollowed out bowl once it was frosted. I then frosted it with my Vegan Swiss Meringue buttercream recipe. You should definitely check out that video next. It's pretty magical how it comes together. You can find the full recipe link in the description below. Once you pipe the buttercream noodles, trim a large bubble tea straw and insert that into the top of the cake into the piped noodles. Next, insert the gold paper straws, making sure they're leaning against the bubble tea straw, which is the basis for the gravity-defying part of this cake. Not to worry though, you won't be able to see the bubble tea straw, as then I will pipe buttercream ramen noodle strands all over the chopsticks and straw, to make it look like I'm going in for a big old mouthful of hot ramen noodles with my chopsticks. Once you've done the noodle piping for the ramen cake, you can add all the fun toppings. I found using pre-purchased gummy candies from the grocery store, cut up using food-safe scissors, was a really fun option, as it looked like little bits of green onion or strands of hot red pepper. Of course, my favorite topping for this cake has to be the ramen eggs, made from coconut milk, sugar, and agar-agar, which is a naturally occurring gelling agent made from seaweed. The recipe link for the coconut jelly eggs is below in the description, and the video link for making them is here too. You can keep adding all of the finishing touches, such as the little gummy pieces, gummy candies, coconut jelly eggs, and I also used black poppy seeds for black pepper, but you can also use black sesame seeds if you have them. I really loved making this crazy cake. What food cake would you like to see me make next? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Like and subscribe to my channel for more fun content, and I hope I see you again soon.